Hello friends, I am your digital mentor Ankit Singla in Aanav Creations. So today we are going to start our next step of that email campaigns, that measuring success in email marketing especially. So if you are new to this channel, just subscribe it and hit the like button and watch this video till end so that you will get all the details. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, we will discuss about measuring success in email marketing. So when it comes to managing the success of your email campaigns, understanding your audience's behavior is essential. In this lesson, we will explore the benefits associated with understanding email performance as well as cover common metrics that can provide insights to help you optimize future campaigns. First, let's look at why utilizing email metrics can be a powerful addition to your marketing toolbox. Let's say you own a pet supply shop and have gathered a strong email marketing list made up of interested customers. This is the major thing. Using this analytics from your email platform, you can discover the number of people clicking from your email to your website and how many complete any call to actions you have set, such as making an online purchases using a discount code. This type of informed decision making can lead to greater conversion rates and help you refine any future campaigns for success. So the benefits of reviewing email metrics are clear. But what story or insights can these individual metrics tell you? Let's take a look at 5 useful email marketing metrics. An email campaign open rate is simply the ratio of people who have actively opened the email versus the total number of people who have received it. This is useful for understanding and effectiveness of your email subject line. For example, if a subject line of things we love about our pets receive a higher open rate than an email titled discounts and offers on pet food, this tells your audience favors emails that give them insight into life as a pet owner rather than promotional content. Once you know how many people open the email, take a look at the click-through rate or CTR. This offers a top-level view of the success of the individual email campaign and gives you the percentage of people that clicked on links to your website from every email that was opened. The click-to-open rate takes into account total number of clicks versus emails that were actually opened. This gives you a more realistic idea of your audience engagement, because if they opened your email and went on a link, you clearly did something right. Another useful metric is conversion rate. Say you have a free pet grooming workshop coming up that you advertised in your email. The conversion rate would show how many people you sent the email to compared to the number of people who actually ended up registering for the event, etc. Sometimes when you send emails, they bounce back. The bounce rate is the percentage of email that could not be delivered to subscribers and were sent back to them. There are 2 kinds of bounces to be aware of. Soft bounces. These are the rejected due to full inbox or size limit restriction on your audience email server, etc. Next is hard bounces. Your emails are blocked or the addresses you are using is incorrect. The breakdown of hard bounces per email campaign can show you which email addresses to remove, saving your time and effort for your next campaign. Looking at the metrics and the story they tell will help you understand what's working and what is not. The next step is to adjust any future campaigns accordingly. Whether that to be refined the subject lines, review the type of content published, or clean up your subscribers list. We have now covered some valuable email metrics that will help you uncover useful insights from your marketing campaigns. Take the time to review the metrics from the last email you sent. What story do these metrics tell you about it? I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button, and do share and comment to us. Thank you very much. Have a good day.